This video will guide you through the process of replacing the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve and hose on the 2004 Ford F-150. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve is located on the engine block on the passenger side of the vehicle. The positive crankcase ventilation hose connects from the back of the intake manifold to the PCV valve. Begin by removing the PCV valve. 1. Remove the engine appearance cover. 2. Disconnect the PCV hose quick-release fitting as follows. Push the connector toward the tube to release pressure. Push the release tab clockwise. Disconnect the quick-release fitting. 3. Disconnect the PCV electrical connector. 4. Rotate the PCV valve counterclockwise and remove the valve. Finish by installing a new PCV valve. 1. Install the PCV valve and rotate it clockwise. 2. Connect the PCV electrical connector. 3. Install the PCV hose quick-release fitting. Note for connecting the quick-release fitting. Apply clean engine oil to the end of the tube before connecting the fitting. Ensure the quick-release fitting clicks into place when installing the tube. Gently pull on the tube to verify it's fully seated. 4. Attach the engine appearance cover. This concludes the procedure for replacing the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve and hose on the 2004 Ford F-150. Thank you for watching.